Come back to subscribe, please. Today we're diving into the Freedom Dollar Token, or FUSD, a cryptocurrency stablecoin. This guide will show you how to buy FUSD, which is associated with the Zeno blockchain and available on MEXC Global. Oh, what exactly is FUSD, the Freedom Dollar? Well, it's a type of cryptocurrency called a stable coin. This means its value is pegged to a stable asset, in this case, the US dollar, maintaining a 1-to-1 ratio. FUSD is designed for use in decentralized finance or DeFi, offering a stable way to transfer value and facilitate privacy-focused transactions specifically on the Zeno blockchain. The benefits of using FUSD include its stability, the privacy features it offers, and its low transaction fees. Now let's talk about the Zeno blockchain. Zeno is a blockchain that prioritizes privacy, scalability, and decentralization. FUSD integrates with Zeno to enable private USD-denominated transactions. It leverages Zeno's privacy technology, making it a valuable asset for the Zeno ecosystem. Oh, where can you buy FUSD? Currently, MEXC Global is a good option. MEXC Global is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides the liquidity, accessibility, and security you need to trade FUSD, and you will want to look for the FUSD/USDT trading pair. ETs go through a step-by-step guide on how to buy FUSD on MEXC Global. First, you'll need to create an account on MEXC Global. This involves going through their account registration process and completing KYC, or Know Your Customer, verification. Once your account is set up, you'll need to deposit funds. Accepted deposit methods typically include USDT and BTC. You'll transfer these funds to your MEXC wallet. Next, navigate to the FUSD/USDT trading pair on the exchange. Now it's time to place a buy order for FUSD. You can choose between a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, where you set the price you're willing to pay. Input the amount of FUSD you want to purchase, then carefully review all the order details and confirm and execute the trade. Finally, securely store your FUSD. You have options like the Zeno wallet or the MEXC wallet, but always remember the importance of protecting your private keys. Here are also alternative methods to acquire FUSD, such as mining for Zeno and swapping your Zeno to FUSD, or earning FUSD through participating in various Zeno network activities. Of course, it's important to consider the risks. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is volatile, and there are risks associated with using cryptocurrency exchanges. Always do your own research, known as DYOR, and ensure the security of your wallet and private keys. In conclusion, FUSD, the Freedom Dollar, has notable potential within the Zeno ecosystem. We encourage you to explore FUSD and consider its uses within this innovative ecosystem. So, let's get started buying and using FUSD. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe, please.